For those of you that missed the last Hawkins City Council meeting, here's a video of Mayor Deb Rushing explaining for almost 10 minutes to City Councilmen Alita Taylor, Eric Malloy, and Claire Kay that you can't make a motion to take a vote on something that goes against existing law. You'd think that that was just common sense and it wouldn't have to be explained, but even after 10 minutes, those councilmen still don't understand the shit.
Make a motion? Okay. Then I will make a motion that based on the grounds in support of the appeal, that their appeal is granted as their termination should never have taken place. I move that they maintain, and I'm going to go through them one by one with their names and dates of hire, that they maintain employment and that they were paid or to be paid on administrative leave with full benefits without a break in employment for David Morris, who was hired August 5th, 2024, for Detective Dale Lundberg, who was hired October 4th, 2024, and for Vernon Polk, who was hired October 11th, 2024. Is there a second? Made a motion.
That motion is because you cannot make a motion that goes against state law. So it can be,
Madam Mayor, you are out of order. There's a motion on the floor.
no.
Yes,
There
there
is
is.
a motion that you are out of order and we do not have to discuss anything further.
Yes, we need to vote on the appeal and there's a motion on the floor.
No.
Can I?
It's an out of order motion. You cannot make a motion to go against law.
Tell them, Deb.
Is he your attorney?
No, he's representing, it's not even a,
Yeah, representative attorneys. Conflict of interest.
No.
They need not. Okay. There's one.
Alright.
says that it adopt their policy, it's a tool. Every 4 months of your success. And 34 says that an appeal notice is given to the mayor in 48 hours. Must take into account. That's what the policy says on
That
May.
policy don't mean shit.
15.
Page 15.
In 2019. It was updated in 2024.
Statute says this policy right here, so claims, page 15. It says the appeal has to be heard by the city council. So you have to hear it, call for a vote.
Let's also vote for the motion.
That's it.
And I've already said that it's a motion that goes against the law.
We need to complete the motion.
That is the completion of,
No, we have, like,
no,
anybody,
no.
we have to vote on it.
Now,
No,
on later, shots.
Under Robert's Rules of Order, like he's saying, your motion is made off of an ordinance and a law that's illegal. Per Robert's Rules of Order, and it's on 417, you can Google it on your phone. Out of order motion is based off of something that is already wrong. I can't accept a motion off of something that's wrong. I'm going against law to do law, really.
and I'm sorry, there's,
I'm just saying, y'all,
I am not, you haven't done votes since you've been in office. So why can't I start now?
y'all are being question. So, that's what we're doing.
So, we are not, there's a motion on the floor and that needs to be completed.
The motion is not on the.
Yes, the motion is on the floor and it is seconded.
Your motion is out of order.
Madam Mayor, I'm sorry, but you are out of order.
She just keeps repeating what Deb says, and it don't mean anything.
There you go. Yeah.
Notice that the leader was wanting to go against Robert's Rules of Order now.
For you, if you want. But we actually don't have to, I don't even have to discuss. I'm giving you the reason why, and that's all there is to it.
Okay, and we need to complete the motion.
No, or the motion is not on the floor because of the motion is out of order for the chair.
Okay, then I make a motion that we vote on granting the appeal of police officer David Morris
Same motion.
on the grounds, as I stated, that they may include employment, that they be put or paid with from administrative leave with full benefits without a break in employment, based on the appeal letter that was submitted and reviewed by council.
And your motion is out of order.
And I
Based on ordinance 32.03. Presiding officer is responsible for determining that the motion is out of order and making the ruling. Conflicts with the law that we've already got stated.
And there is a preponderance of evidence that shows that it came before council, it was voted on by council, it was approved by council,
No.
and yes, actually it was.
And I don't have to have this discussion.
Okay, so we can find that one more time.
And we need, let's just end this and get it all in a vote. As previously stated, I make a motion to grant the appeal for Officer David Morris, and again, that they maintain employment without any kind of a break, since their date of hire for David Morris, it was August 5th, 2024. For Dale Lundberg, it was October 4th, 2024, and Vernon Pope, October 11th, 2024.
It's the same motion.
And your motion is out of order.
I say that.
Your motion is out of order. The only motion that going here now, since we're done with the agenda, is to adjourn.
No, ma'am.
It's to have an email.
Kind of.
All we have to do is to do the right way. So to do it or pay for sale, don't you need
No.
one of that?
Tom says there's nothing in science that says that the hiring of an individual, regardless of what capacity, that it has to appear on the agenda as a line item. We have searched, we have called, we have sought out advice, we've been instructed by council that this is TML is council.
So when I read what I read, that's not.
Well, I don't know.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. You're going by Hawkins law.
That is correct.
Okay, so.
And there is
motion
no
is out of order.
There is no ma'am, it is not.
You're wrong, Alita. You're wrong. Under the Open Meetings Act, it states if you all put it normally, going to hire so-and-so and so-and-so, you have to continue it that way. By doing it any other way, state law says you're trying to get over on something. That's in the Open Meetings Act.
Yeah, but we are not the ones that you let it up that way. So it was presented to us in that manner. We voted on it. You should have said it.
You voted on what? You didn't vote. A vote is saying yes.
Yeah.
Because it was included with that is what the council was made aware of. There was a clause in the audience and what's the highest? So no, I'm not talking about that.
Sir?
Point of order.
Excuse me.
To your lawyer.
I'm asking that gentleman, the attorney back there.
Does anyone consider that your lawyer?
No,
Well, if someone's smarter than you, that's called, that's basically getting his counsel for a kid.
no, it ain't for you.
No, I don't want
Sir,
this.
when TML says you make a motion and you second it, you have to go along, you have to carry that vote, finish that vote through. Once the motion's been made on the floor and it's been seconded, if you want to talk about something else after that, you can, but you need to go ahead and finish it out.
asking me a legal question.
It's like,
Okay.
not interested.
Okay.
Well,
I already was yes, like, thanks for standing up. So she made a motion, I seconded it.
You understand that that motion is out of order.
He's correct.
Therefore, there is no other discussion. We move on.
Great job, Deb. You did it again.